This is the Kefeya M2 laptop triple screen extender. Starting with unboxing, there's the dual 15.6 inch screens, the user guide and instructions, an HDMI to mini HDMI cable, a USB-C power adapter, a hub which is required for use with Macs or iOS, and two USB-C to USB-C cables. The dual screens come in an aluminum housing and have support for VESA mounting, giving you the option to mount them on a wall or place them on a table with a provided kickstand. With the ergonomic design, the screens can be set to a position which is comfortable for you. With the mode button on the side, you can easily change between extended mode, portrait mode, mirror mode, and 2-in-1 mode with the press of a button. With easy installation and portability for travel, this could be the screen extender setup for you. With mirror mode, the desktop can be duplicated or mirrored on both displays for presentations or projects. On 2-in-1 mode, you can make use of the dual screens as one large screen. Now when it comes to me, I can open my comments section on the large screen and view my videos on the main display. Others who stream online or have a live feed can pull up their chat in this mode on the secondary large display, while they play games or stream their content on the main display. When it comes to extended mode, you can basically have 3 monitors with separate content on each. Whether it's watching 2 videos and surfing the web, or editing a project on the main screen while watching and viewing some notes or documents related to your project on the second screen, and watching a movie on the third. The options are completely up to you. The displays can also be used in portrait mode. For instance, I could be comparing 2 similar videos side by side while answering comments related to the videos on the main display. Now the screen assembly can also be folded or rotated back to show or share what you are seeing to another person who is seated in front of you. Say for example if you're making a presentation or work behind a desk where you may have clients or customers who may need to see documents at your office. These displays can also be used with a compatible smartphone which supports USB-C display out from their USB-C charger ports. You can easily connect the displays to your smartphone and share photos, videos, make a presentation, or simply just conduct work on a bigger display. The Kefeya M2 triple screen extender is currently priced under $400. If this is something you're in the market for, I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.